Hey guys, welcome to digit.in, and in our series of unboxing videos, here's another lens that we just bought for our new camera kit. This is the Sony 55mm with the aperture of f1.8. Again, there's been a lot of confusion around whether this is a Zeiss 55 or a Sony 55 or a Sony Zeiss 55. Well, thing is, this is a Zeiss made lens with Sony branding. So we'll show you what we're talking about. Let's just quickly go ahead and unbox it. All right. So a 55mm lens is actually one of the most versatile lenses in anybody's kit, whether you're a photographer, cinematographer. It's a must-have. It's one of the reasons we got it. Now this lens comes with a standard 2-year warranty, which is pretty amazing because most camera bodies come with 2-year warranties. Inside the box, you also get this handful of booklets on how to use your lens. There is also, interestingly, a check card by the person, signed by the person who verified the integrity of this lens. So whoever built it and checked it signed their name on it, which is pretty cool, right? So this has been signed off by our Chakrit, and he's or she has inspected this lens for its quality and accuracy in focus, sharpness, etc. So Zeiss takes a lot of pride in the way they manufacture the lenses. So, and here it is. Alright, let me just get it back. So the 55mm f1.8 is actually a pretty interesting lens. Firstly, for its focal length itself. The 55 is not very common. It's mostly 50mm that you hear, right? So this is 55, so that extra 5mm could maybe, well, it's up to you to decide how much that matters. On the front, it has a 49mm diameter, so that's the filter thread you're going to have to use, a 49mm. The back is a Sony E-mount, which is awesome. And this lens, believe it or not, weighs just 289 grams. That's phenomenal. So there are equally sharp competing lenses of the same focal length, 50mm, let's say with an aperture of f1.4, and they will weigh anywhere in the range of 800 to 900 grams. So they're very heavy, right? But we wanted to keep our kit light, which is why we went with this lens. It's tack sharp, and there's enough results online for you to see about the quality of this lens, and it's absolutely amazing. So thanks for watching this video.